I have a funny story I want to share, and it's about myself. Yes. So one day I was rushing to school. Yes. And I put on my shirts inside out. I did not notice it, okay, until I got to class and my friends started laughing at me. I looked down and saw the tags were not the way they supposed. You know, I was so embarrassed and my friends teased me for weeks about wearing my shirt backwards. Now I laugh about it. But back then I just wanted to hide under a rock. It was a silly mistake, but it's a funny memory now. Yeah. My friends still bring it up sometimes. They still talk about it. Okay, and we just laugh at it. When I remember that story, I'll be like, oh,